Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a firewall rule for VPN connection. Your VPN connection might be SSL VPN, it may be site to site, or it may be Sophos Connect. So this rule will remain the same. So let's start. Just go to the firewall tab and then click on the add firewall rule. Select user and network rule, enter the name like VPN to WAN. And why we are creating this rule, the reason behind why this rule is required is once a user try to connect with the VPN client, then once the traffic hit on the firewall, so firewall need to decide from which rule this traffic should be processed. So for this we are creating this rule. Just enter the name VPN to WAN and mention some description for your understanding only. Then source should be VPN because VPN users are creating and initiating the traffic, and you can leave this source network any, or you can customize it according to your requirement. Right now I'm putting this on any mode. Destination would be a WAN because users traffics are coming on a firewall and we are allowing it to go further WAN in case if the internet is required. Means suppose if user want to access some AWS servers and only Office IP is whitelisted, so for this traffic once come to the firewall, it will go on this rule. And in case the VPN is connected only for the accessing internal server, in that case please select LAN zone over there, this one. Right now I'm selecting a WAN zone as mentioned on the heading. This rule is for VPN to WAN. Go on the bottom, no need to make any changes right now. Initially if you wanna select some policy for the IPS, you can select over there. If you want to limit a bandwidth size for capping, you can select by using this option, traffic sharing policy. If you want to enable a web filter like porn or any unofficial site should be blocked using a VPN, so yes, you can do it by using this. And you can block application also by using this option. Right now I'm leaving on a default mode, and right now a gateway I set on a load balancing. Click on save. So it's very easy.